coders, this will be a short video on Excel on how to insert rupee symbol in front of a number. So first of all, there are some products which are being shown to you guys, and our first objective would be to find out the total, that is based on the product of rate multiplied by unit. So that will be the total. So let's find out the total first. We'll be having the rate and then multiplied by units and then press enter. What we can do is that we can select this range of cells all the way across to the down and press Ctrl D to duplicate the formula. Now the range of cells has are already been kept selected. The shortcut key to insert rupee symbol in front of these numbers, that is the total, is Ctrl Shift 4. Let me repeat the shortcut key one more time. It's Control Shift 4. So after selecting a range of cells, if you just click, if you just press Control followed by Shift followed by 4 from your keyboard, rupee symbol will automatically be inserted by Microsoft Office Excel before all those numbers. That's all for this short tutorial. Thank you guys and happy coding.